Hello students, I am Rajesh, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss the second chapter of your book. The chapter name is Viruses. और जो सेकंड चैप्टर आपका होगा इसमें कुछ टॉपिक्स आपके होंगे, टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस, अदर मालिशियस प्रोग्राम्स, डिफरेंट एंटीवायरस. तो सबसे पहले टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस के बारे में जानेंगे, क्या होते हैं.
Jim, remember the different types of computer networks we learned about earlier?
Yes, Jenny. In fact, yesterday, I heard my father talking on the phone saying that some computers in his office network are not working properly because of some virus. I wonder what that means.
Oh, Jim, a computer virus is a program or a code designed specifically to interfere with the normal functioning of a computer. It acts as a type of malicious software or malware which may cause harmful effects. Let me tell you more about it.
Sounds scary.
Let us know more about a computer virus. A computer virus spreads from one computer to another through email attachments, portable devices, file downloads, or malicious scripts introduced by a website. It attaches itself to a number of host files or processes and is triggered as per its design. A computer virus then proceeds to harm a computer system by corrupting its data and
हेलो स्टूडेंट, एक कंप्यूटर वायरस सेपरेट फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर. और जो कंप्यूटर वायरस होता है एक से दूसरे में फैल जाता है. कैसे? ईमेल अटैचमेंट, पोर्टेबल डिवाइसेस जैसे पेन ड्राइव होती है, सीडी होती है, या फिर फाइल डाउनलोड करने से. तो इन सभी से ये वायरस एक से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में चला जाता है.
or stealing a system's resources and control. Now let us see the details about the types of viruses which can affect a computer. Depending on the methods of infection and modes of operation, computer viruses are generally classified into different types. A macrovirus is a type of malware that targets those files that are created.
टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस, तो इसमें सबसे पहले आता है मैक्रोवायरस. ये मैक्रोवायरस इज ए टाइप ऑफ मालवेयर that target those files are created using programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint. MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint की जो भी फाइल्स होते हैं ये डायरेक्टली उनको टारगेट करता है, यानी कि उन फाइलों को डिलीट करता है.
Using programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. A macro is an instruction that carries out commands automatically. Macroviruses hide in the documents which are easily transferable through an email or a network connection. Examples of such viruses include Relax, Melissa.a and 097MY2K. Memory resident viruses attach themselves to a computer's memory unit. They only act when the operating system starts running, after which any open files.
Second, memory resident virus. The memory resident virus attach themselves computer memory. Memory unit पे इसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है.
Could get infected. They are normally found hiding in the random access memory. Examples include Randex, CMJ and Merclunky. A file infector virus attacks a file and deletes the information it may contain. These viruses simply replace the content present in the infected files with junk content. trj.boot and trivial.88.d are some examples of such viruses. A directory virus is usually located in the hard disk and may often attack an entire program from there.
Directory virus. A directory virus is usually located in the hard disk and may often attack on entire program from there. यानी कि जो डायरेक्टरी प्रोग्राम तो डायरेक्टरी जैसे फोल्डर कहते हैं, तो ये फोल्डर पे अटैक करता है और फोल्डर की कॉपी अपने आप हो जाती है.
This type of virus generally infects a file with an extension .exe or .com, as it changes the location path of the original program file. A virus named as the DIR2 virus is known to carry out such attacks and hence is included in this category.
और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपका होगा अदर मालिशियस प्रोग्राम्स.
Jenny, are there any more viruses that can harm the computer?
Yes, Jim, there are other malicious programs.
Let us understand about these other malicious programs. A typical Trojan horse imitates the appearance of a regular software. It attacks the computer system by deleting and sometimes rewriting the system files. These are well-known malicious programs that are often specifically created to trace login details of a user through an online intrusion. Worms are malicious programs that replicate themselves from one system to another through a network.
कुछ malicious programs होते हैं जैसे worms होता है. worms are malicious program that replicate themselves from one computer to another. ये पहले ही बताया गया है कि एक से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में चला जाता है. They only replicate themselves to consume the disk space. हार्ड डिस्क का जो स्पेस होता है उसको कंज्यूम करता है और जिसे जो सिस्टम होता है उसकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाती है.
Like a virus, they do not need a host program to run themselves. Worms do not harm any file or data on the computer like viruses. They only replicate themselves to consume disk space, thereby making the PC too slow.
Let's recollect what we have learned in this module.
और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपका होगा डिफरेंट एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर.
Jenny, what is an antivirus software?
Jim, an antivirus software is a security program that can protect your computer from a virus. Such a software can detect and block an attack from different types of malware. Many antivirus programs exist today to protect your computer against malicious programs. Let me tell you about some of the commonly used antivirus software.
Now let us learn about Avast antivirus which protects the computer.
यहाँ हम कुछ एंटीवायरस के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं जो कंप्यूटर को प्रोटेक्ट रखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले उसमें Avast Pro एंटीवायरस.
Computer from harm. Avast antivirus provides features such as file protection, email protection and browser protection. The software also provides various settings that help you to identify unknown threats of multiple origins. Next up is AVG antivirus. AVG antivirus provides protection against viruses, spyware and other types of malware. It is one of the few products available for free. The free version of the software provides basic protection for different components of your computer, such as the email client and web browser, while the paid version provides more advanced features.
तो इसमें मैंने डिफरेंट एंटीवायरस के बारे में सीखा. तो और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपका रहेगा यूजिंग एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर.
Jenny, how can I use the antivirus software to protect my computer?
Jim, a computer virus may gain access to your computer over the internet or through the use of portable devices. An antivirus software can protect your computer. Starting with the proper installation of an antivirus, a user can set the required configuration to keep a computer safe from any threat. While most antivirus software provides similar functionality, each may name the functions differently and have a different interface. Let's learn how to use the AVG antivirus software version 16.
Let us learn about the AVG antivirus and internet security. AVG Antivirus and Internet Security is an anti-malware software package. It provides real-time protection and security for your computer system against malware-related threat. Now let us understand the process of installing the AVG Antivirus and Internet Security.
अभी हमने AVG एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में जाना और ये हमारे सिस्टम को प्रोटेक्ट रखता है कोई भी किसी तरह का इंटरनेट से या पोर्टेबल डिवाइस से किसी से भी जो वायरस आते हैं उन सभी से हमें प्रोटेक्ट रखता है। अब हमें सीखना है जो एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर है ये एवीजी जो सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल कैसे करेंगे।
Software to protect the computer. Download an AVG Antivirus and Internet Security software package from the AVG website. Once you have downloaded the software, you will need to install the AVG Antivirus software. To do so, first you will need to open the location of the installation file, then you will need to double-click on the installation file. The Welcome to AVG Protection dialog box will appear. Here you will need to click on Continue button. Next, you will need to follow the instructions given in subsequent screens. The installer will automatically download and install the different software components on your computer. You will need to click on Finish. Finally, you will need to restart your computer.
तो अभी अपने इसका कंप्यूटर में एंटीवायरस कैसे इंस्टॉल करेंगे। वॉइस